Throughout the pandemic, women have been knocked out of the workforce at a staggering rate. In a matter of months, participation went from historic highs to its lowest level in 30 years, threatening the many gains that women have made over the decades.
I was very mad, very mad. I felt like it was so unfair.
Jennifer Hargraves wears many hats. She's a wife, a mother, and an entrepreneur. When the pandemic hit, it was her business that went on the back burner.
My husband has the stable job. He has the job that pays the bills. And somebody had to look after the kids. I'm the lower income earner, and it really fell down to me to pick up the responsibilities in the household. I was in tears every Friday night. By 4 p.m., I was exhausted because I was picking up work where I could. So doing work in the morning before the kids got up, and also doing work in the evening after they went to bed, and then working on the weekends as well.
Right now, a so-called shecession is underway, with women exiting the workforce at unprecedented levels. According to an RBC economic report, in the first 2 months of the pandemic, 1.5 million Canadian women lost or left their jobs. Single mothers and women with young children are among the hardest hit.
Just looking at the lack of childcare and the motherhood penalty. So, during COVID, we've seen that almost half of women say that childcare or household duties are falling to them, while many are working at home. And at the same time, approximately a quarter of men are reporting the same.
Another factor, women disproportionately work in industries that have been severely impacted by COVID-19. According to Stats Canada, they represent 55% of jobs lost in retail and accommodation and food services. And burnout is being felt on all levels.
For example, research has shown that senior level women are actually also being pushed to the brink, and including those without children. So this is not only the motherhood penalty.
After a few months of scaling back, Jennifer was able to once again focus on her company. But for many women, re-entering the workforce won't be easy.
I would say one of the silver linings of the pandemic is that it's brought all these issues to the forefront to say, it wasn't equal. And I think we have a real opportunity now to build back something that's better, build back something that works more equally for everybody contributing.
Since the first lockdown back in the spring, more women have re-entered the workforce, bringing the deficit from a 30-year low to a 20-year low. But to bring even more women back, experts say that companies need to start offering more flexibility. This also highlights the desperate need for more affordable, flexible childcare. Shauna Hunt, City News.